How to attract men without saying anything. Ladies, get ready to embark on a transformative journey that will forever change your perspective on the enigmatic world of non-verbal attraction. In this captivating exploration, we will delve into the art of attracting men without uttering a single word. Brace yourselves, as what you're about to learn has the potential to revolutionize your approach to the intriguing dance of attraction. By the time you finish this video, you'll be equipped with a powerful set of beliefs and techniques that can make you irresistibly appealing to most men. As a bonus, we'll reveal a proven 4-step formula that you can use to instantly captivate any man. Welcome to an enlightening experience brought to you by the Psychology Pub YouTube channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more insightful videos and do let us know in the comments where you're tuning in from. Master the art of poise and elegance. The power of body language cannot be underestimated when it comes to attracting the object of your interest. Remember the lessons of grace and elegance you were taught in your childhood? Channel them now. Keep your back straight, your chin up, and your shoulders high. This posture exudes confidence, setting you apart in a crowd. When sitting, do so with discretion, smoothly pulling the chair to avoid any squeaks. If you're wearing a dress or a skirt, mind your posture, gather your legs rather than crossing them, and keep your feet under the chair. These simple techniques will make you utterly unforgettable. Dress for confidence. The right outfit can work wonders in making you feel and appear more confident. Choose clothing that fits you impeccably, highlighting your best features but do not reveal too much skin. When you feel confident, you automatically become more attractive. Take a stroll through your closet to identify outfits that make you feel fantastic, but also classy. The allure of eye contact. Even in moments of nervousness, maintain direct eye contact with the man you're drawn to. Subtle eye gestures can work wonders, such as a gentle gaze, fluttering eyelashes, or a wide-eyed expression. The key lies in gauging his response to tailor your expressions accordingly. Research has shown that direct eye contact can swiftly grab a person's attention and foster a connection. However, remember not to overdo it. Brief, 1 to 3 second intervals work best. The art of relaxation. Your body language plays a significant role in nonverbal attraction. Avoid crossing your arms as it creates a barrier that makes you appear unapproachable. Keep your arms slightly open and display a relaxed demeanor. You can signal your approachability by placing your hands casually on your hips or letting your arms hang down naturally. Radiate openness and warmth. Flaunt your neck and shoulders. Subtly revealing your neck and shoulders can be an effective way to capture a man's attention. By doing so, you're displaying bare skin in a non-sexual manner, piquing his curiosity. Consider outfits such as low-cut tops, sleeveless or off-the-shoulder styles, or tank tops that showcase your neck and shoulders, leaving him wanting more. The eyebrow flash. A brief but effective technique to convey your interest is the eyebrow flash. Let your eyes meet his for a moment, then quickly avert your gaze before raising both eyebrows ever so slightly. This non-verbal hello can send a powerful message of attraction. The seductive smile. Ladies, take note. A seductive smile, when used appropriately, can be your secret weapon for attracting attention and captivating the man of your interest. Embrace authenticity in your smiles, as your unique expressions will radiate genuine charm. Whether it's an open, playful, seductive, or teasing smile, your authenticity will work its magic. Embrace natural makeup. While makeup is a personal choice, remember that you don't need an elaborate makeup routine to capture a man's attention. Keep it natural and subtle, as many men prefer a more understated look. Use makeup to enhance your natural beauty, rather than transforming your appearance. It's all about feeling confident in your own skin. Express with your body language. Your body is a canvas for communicating your emotions and intentions. Employ gestures like using your hands to convey your thoughts, positioning your body to showcase your interest, or subtle touches like licking or parting your lips. These nonverbal cues can speak volumes without uttering a word. The temptation of touching your hair. Just as men use touch to draw attention to their masculine features, women have an instinct for playing with their hair. This classic gesture never fails to make an impact. Twirl a lock of hair between your fingers, deftly toss your hair back, or discreetly tuck a strand behind your ear. This captivating display is bound to leave an impression. A flattering hairstyle. Your hairstyle frames your face and can elevate your entire look. Select a hairstyle that complements your face shape, hair texture, and is easy to maintain. By styling your hair for various occasions, you can leave a lasting impression on the men you encounter. Mirror his body language. Mirroring his movements and posture can subtly convey your interest. Position your body to align with his and point your feet in his direction to demonstrate undivided attention. Imitating his gestures discreetly without making them identical can foster a sense of trust and connection. Furtive glances, stealthily watching the man of your interest, can be an effective strategy. Avoiding direct eye contact, you can occasionally steal glances out of the corner of your eye. This communicates your interest without overwhelming him. Be discreet and subtle in your observations. Subtle self-touch. To ignite his imagination, subtly touch yourself in a non-sexual manner. Lightly graze your hip, play with your necklace, or gently stroke your arm. This captivates a man's attention and entices him to approach you. The key is to be discreet and not overdo it. The power of revealing your hands. Displaying your hands is a sign of trustworthiness and openness. Hiding your hands in your pockets or under the table can create a barrier between you and the person you want to attract. Ensure your hands are well-groomed and confident as they speak volumes about your approachability. Breaking the touch barrier. Subtle touches can be a powerful way to flirt non-verbally. Casual contact, such as brushing against him while passing by, can create a connection without words. Lightly graze his body as you move past him, and keep it subtle to maintain an air of mystery. Await his signal. By following these steps, you'll likely have piqued the man's interest. Pay close attention to his gestures and movements, as they can reveal his level of interest. If you've executed the nonverbal cues effectively, he may initiate his own signals. Read his body language carefully for signs of attraction. The 4-step formula. If you've reached this point, you're ready for a proven 4-step formula to instantly attract a man. Step 1. Catch his gaze. Make eye contact with the man, but keep it engaging, not intimidating. Step 2. Hold it, maintain eye contact for a few seconds, ensuring you appear confident and alluring. Step 3. Shoot the smile. Before returning to your conversations, offer a genuine, mysterious smile. Step 4. Check up on it after about 5 minutes. Reevaluate his level of interest. If he's still engaged, smile with your eyes to reaffirm your attraction, and he'll likely initiate a conversation. Conclusion. In this captivating journey into the realm of nonverbal attraction, we've uncovered the secrets to making yourself utterly irresistible without uttering a word. Whether it's mastering poise, captivating with eye contact, or using subtle body language cues, you now possess a powerful toolkit to captivate any man's heart. Remember, you're not just attracting with your looks, but with your confidence, charm, and authenticity. So go forth and captivate with grace and elegance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and until next time, take care and happy captivating.